My name is Dincel. I'm a director at Dincel Construction System. We manufacture our own worldwide patented product, which is a permanent polymer formworking system for the construction industry. Our manufacturing process has a lot of power needs, and especially with all the rising costs in power, we wanted to look at options to help with that. But also we do have a responsibility from an environmental and a sustainability perspective as well. So implementing solar into our business was something that we considered a lot, but there was a bit of fear, I guess, from my perspective of how we would implement that into the business and what kind of effect it would have. You know, a project like this where you're integrating a system that could potentially disrupt the manufacturing process, the important thing was to have a proper plan, and the fact that they worked with that plan with us. Sharp EIT definitely came to the party, and they tailor-made a system for us and supported that plan to be able to have it installed without any issues at all. And then supplement that with the finance support that we had from DLL, just made the whole system a no-brainer. They were very flexible. They came and worked on weekends when we weren't running. And that was my biggest fear at the beginning of how implementing something like this was going to impact the rest of the business. But I can honestly say that everything went extremely smooth and we didn't have a single disruption. As costs go higher, and I don't think it's ever going to go back the other way, it does make a lot of sense to have that solar option, especially if you are using a lot of power. I would tell other businesses that are considering solar, especially with a financing option, it may be a difficult decision at the beginning, but it's definitely well worth it. I can really see the benefits of what the solar is going to give us, but I think more importantly, finding that right partner in Sharp EIT made the decision a lot easier. I was very pleased that I did go down the route of solar with Sharp EIT.